Hey everybody, we're working on the Cincinnati mill today. Got a bunch of stuff done on that CJ3A project today. Then a guy came in with a flywheel needed turned, and I'm going to show you how I do those. I don't have an actual flywheel machine, but I get very good results in the milling machine here, and I'm going to show you what I do to get them turned nice. On the smaller ones, I could do them in the brake lathe. There's instructions how to set up to cut a flywheel in the brake lathe, and sometimes I do the small ones in there. This is a big one, and what I've done so far is I've got my that's a flywheel grinding disc there, grinding cup, and this flywheel is cast iron, so that's a cast iron cup. And what I did first was true that up. I put a diamond point in the vise, ran back and forth, made that nice and true. And I've got the flywheel bolted to our rotary table. And I've got some coolant there and some grinding fluid, you see. And we're going to make a couple passes and true that flywheel right up. And it is possible to get just the same results in this milling machine that you get in a flywheel cutter. And I'm going to show you how I do it. So let me get set up, and we'll take some light passes and a lot of cranking. Sometimes I hook a drill to this rotary table to get it spinning around real fast, but this is just a quickie job. I'm trying to get in and out of the shop. So we're just going to hand crank it and bring it up just a little bit at a time, and clean off the cutting grit there after each couple passes. And you'll see it as it happens. Okay, just want to give you guys another way of doing things, and hope you get something from this. I'll be right back with you, and everything will be running. Okay guys, I think you can see that okay. We've got 90% of it cut. We've got just a little bit left to cut out there. This is coming out very nice here. It's staying nice and cool. You don't want to overheat the wheel or the flywheel doing this. But it's coming nice. We'll bring it up again. We'll take another pass, and we'll keep making passes until we get that whole thing nice and smooth, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So hang in there with me. Okay guys, we just about got the whole thing there. I know it's like watching paint dry, just watching that go round and round and round, but that's how I get a nice finish on the flywheels. You know, around here we've got Napa stores and things like that, and they turn flywheels, but they've ruined them on me in the past, so I don't go back to places like that. I just had to come up with a way to do it myself to keep out of the public there, you know. A lot of times you bring stuff to people and they put unqualified guys on it and they just ruin flywheels on you. But that's how that happens here, and I'll get it, you know, taken off there and show you what it looks like. Okay, be right back with you. Okay, and there's our finished piece there. Just as nice as you get out of any flywheel machine. Hope you can see that okay. And you can control the quality and how much you take off and what kind of cut you make if you do it yourself. And you don't have to rely on some stranger cutting your flywheel. So, just something quick, thought I'd show you guys. That's how I do it here in the shop, and they come out perfect and they last a long time, and I know they're true when they come off that rotary table. So, yeah, just a little tip for you. And we'll be back on that 3A next video. Okay, thanks for watching.